Hello all, welcome to session 48 of CSharp.net training series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to use parse method. So let's get started. Parse method can be used for converting the string literal to the required type of literal. Okay, if the string literal is able to convert to other type, then using parse we can convert. So let me give some examples like how to use parse for converting the string literal to the desired type of literal. Okay, fine. So let's get started with these examples. So I'll create a string str is equal to, here I'll provide a number inside a string. Okay, here it is a number, but it's in the form of a string literal. Now I want to convert this string type of number into actual integer number. Okay, so then how to convert? So in order to convert that, guys, I need to convert this into int type. Okay, integer type. So I'll type int here. I'll say dot, then say parse. Okay, int dot parse, and I have to provide the str, that is string, as input to this. That's it. It will convert the convertible type. Okay, you see here the string, even though it is a string which is in double quotes, it can be converted to integer, as we can look and tell, right? This can be converted to integer number. Okay, so here parse will return you the int. When I say int dot parse, it will give you int. Okay, int. I'll say n, and for number, let's say, and here I'll say console dot write line. I'll say n plus 10. Okay, so addition also I'm doing. That means 100 plus 10, 110 should be printed in the output. If I run this code, 110 should be printed in the output. Done. It got printed 110. Now next one. What if I have a string 123, 100.123? Okay, now I want to convert this string literal type into double literal type. So I'll say double here. Okay, I'll say double here, and double dot parse of str, and here I'll say n plus 10 again. So 100.123 plus 10, that is 110.123 should be the result. So another example. Now last example I'll give you. Here, instead of giving a number or something, I'll give boolean value. That is true, but it is a string format, right? So I can even put bool here, bool dot parse of str I can say, and say bool b or something. Okay, bool b, and here I'll write b, if b, I'll say console dot write line, it's true. Okay, so like this also I can convert. Okay, if it can be converted to the boolean literal, the string literal can be converted to boolean literal, I have to simply say bool dot parse of str. Okay, now run this code. You see, it's true got printed. That means it got converted, right? It got converted from string literal to boolean literal, and then here we have validated that, and it's true got printed in the output. So like this, guys, we can use parse for converting the string literal to the required type of literal if it is convertible only. Okay, what if there is something here? Let's say there is something like ABC, and if I try to convert that to integer, is it possible? In that parse of, and if I say int n here, int n, is it possible? No, it will give you the error. Okay, so though it is not giving any compiler error, but if you try so, it will give you the error during the runtime. Okay, run this. Okay, what happened? You got an exception. That is format exception you got. It is not possible. Okay, simple words, it is not possible to convert a string type of, okay, text type of literal to the numerical value you cannot convert. Okay, so only if it is when it is possible to convert a string literal to other type of literal, then only we have to use. Okay, so this is what I mean. So hope guys you understood how to use parse now. Okay, for converting the convertible string type literals to the required type of literals. Okay, so these are few examples I gave you in this example. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to cover another C#.NET topic for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.